Magnesium oil benefits and source. Benefits: reduce pain, strengthen teeth and bones, repair muscles, sleep better, improve dental health, treat skin problems. Use as deodorant, reduce hypertension, relieve stress, regulate diabetes, migraine relief, reduce symptoms of PMS. Life-flo Pure Magnesium Oil Review. Description: Natural living. Magnesium chloride brine. From the ancient Zechstein seabed. 100% pure. Super concentrated solution. First choice. Optimal health. Suggested use: spray 4 to 5 times onto skin and massage the area. After a while you may see a slight white residue forming on the areas where you applied the spray. It is just the salt that has stayed behind on the skin and can be wiped or washed off. Add 2 ounces to your bath or foot soak and immerse for 20 to 30 minutes. It can also be used as a deodorant. Other ingredients: 100% pure magnesium chloride brine from the ancient Zechstein seabed in the Netherlands. Warnings. Caution: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. If irritation, redness, or discomfort occurs, discontinue use and consult a licensed healthcare practitioner. No animals were used to test this product. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.